A beautiful new family community is coming to South Whitby, just steps from the lake, parks, trails, schools, and downtown Whitby. Andrin Homes and Block Developments, two leading Ontario homebuilders, proudly presents Boatworks, a community inspired by its scenic lakeside location in a vibrant neighborhood surrounded by great family amenities. Hi, I'm James Schiavi, and I'm with Andrin Homes, a renowned developer with over 30 years of experience and commitment to quality. Join me on a tour of our brand new sales office and let me show you why Boatworks is a perfect community for you and your family.
Hi, how are you? Welcome to Andrin Homes.
Thank you. Let's go see what Boatworks has to offer. Let's start with the neighborhood. Everything your family needs is here, from schools to parks and cafes and restaurants and much more. We're steps away from the Iroquois Park Sports Center, the GO Station, as well as tons of highways. The lakes is just steps away as well. Our community consists of 5 different style townhomes, each townhome offering 3 bedrooms with great features that you and your family need. Back-to-back towns with traditional elevations with outdoor spaces for you to enjoy the sunsets of the Whitby Harbor. Condo towns offering plenty of space for entertaining. Dual front towns, an innovative design with a clean front exterior and garages in the back. Freehold towns with elegantly designed exteriors and space for a growing family. And wide towns, only 3 homes to a block with expansive interiors for luxurious living. Andrin Homes offers a wide range of standard finishes chosen by professionals to complement your taste. Expertly crafted interiors come with bright, open concept layouts, spacious living and dining areas, gourmet chef kitchens with designer cabinetry and luxurious bedrooms on the upper floor, and gorgeous spa-inspired bathrooms. This is a rare and affordable opportunity in one of GTA's most sought-after communities. It's time to come home to Boatworks in South Whitby.